Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. And today I brought you a new project on cloud computing domain. This is the landing page of our project where you can see some user interface. This is a responsive web application. Let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using in this project. For front end, we have used HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript. For backend programming, we have used Python along with the Django framework, and database is MySQL database. I have the code with me with AWS integration. Also, this project I have integrated using real-time cloud AWS. Let's see what is the concept of the project and what we are doing. Basically, this project is having three different types of users. Sorry, four different types of users are there, interacting in this project. Cloud is the one user, second is the third party auditor, TP, and third is the PKG, private key generator, and fourth one is the user. For better explanation and for better project execution flow, I am going to execute these four users in separate tab. Let's assume this tab is for cloud, and I'll open TPA in different tab. Similarly, PKG in different tab and user in different tab. Now, let's go to user directly and try to register a new user here. Register, and here is the registration page. Let's provide the details. Okay, I'm going to provide here some details. And please provide the valid email address here because we are going to receive some email through this application. Okay, and password, profile photo. Let's select some profile photo. Sign up to your account. Password must be special character and numbers. So here we need to provide some special password with special character and numbers as well. Now you can see the application responded. Your registration form is successfully uploaded. Now let's try to log in because it seems the registration is completed and the email ID what I have given is this one. Login. It says here your request is pending, so cannot log in now. Okay, so cloud server will authorize the user accounts. Okay, then only the users will be able to log in into the application. Let's go to cloud here and try to log in with the cloud and perform the user authentication from there. So the username for this is cloud@gmail.com. Password is cloud123. Login, and login is successful. This is a simple dashboard which we have given for cloud server, where you can see audit certificates, how many are there, and CRBT. Let's see what is there in CRBT here. And there is a three different types of users are there here. Audit challenge, it will receive here. Now here it seems the file details are there in CRBT, and audit challenge means if any file is in audit state, it will come here. So let's go to PKG and it tries to log in with PKG. This is the PKG dashboard. Pending users, you can see. As I was expecting, the user accounts will be authorized by the cloud server, but it's not cloud, it is PKG user here. Because you can see here, we have got the options: pending users, accepted users, rejected user, and total number of users. So if we scroll down here, we can see there is a user whose account is in pending status. Now let's go to user details here. And user request. Here is the account. Let's try to accept that. Mail will be sent here. So the account is accepted. Let's go to mail and check whether the mail is received or not. The user. Yes, I have received a mail here. Your application has been accepted. Now let's try to log in. Login is successful now. Okay, this is the dashboard of the user. Let's see what is there in my profile here. This is the profile, user profile. Okay, show password option is given. My files, I have not uploaded any files, so there is no file here. Upload files. Let's try to upload a file. I'll try to upload data. File type is text file. Choose file here. Submit. So the file is uploaded successfully. Let's try to upload. We can upload these types of files here. Okay, we can upload these types of files. Now let's go to my files. You can see the file is visible here. And dynamic operations are there. If we click on view, we can see here the file data is being displayed. The file is read here completely. If you want to update anything here, we can update it. Click on update. File is updated successfully. You can see here the file data is updated. Dynamic operations we can perform here. Dynamic operations means updating the file directly in the cloud server. No need to download it and upload it again. And audit files are there. Under audit files, we don't have anything. And my files, we are having some options like request to download, request audit file. We have to send a request of audit file. Auditing is nothing but you are going to check the integrity of the file, whether the file is safe or not on the cloud server. Okay, request audit. Your request is sent successfully, it says. And let's go to here, third-party auditor, and check it out what options we have here. Audit request, you can see, will be received by this TPA, third-party auditor. 2 request is there. Accepted is 2. Pending is okay. Pending downloads is 1. Accepted downloads is 5. Let's go to TRBT. And this is the details about the file. Okay, and let's go to audit request. We have got a request from this user. Let's view the audit details. Before that, we need to click on this send request. Pending request. This is the pending now. It's pending. So cloud will process this request. Okay, let's go to cloud now and audit challenge. Here is the request. Generate certificate. It will generate a certificate and then it will come back to the what do you call TPA. Let's refresh here. Now you can see cloud is accepted here. Okay, and if I click on view now, this is the dynamic operations, number of searches, number of downloads, number of updates. One time this file is updated. Okay, number of views, how many times the file is viewed. This is nothing but dynamic operations. 4 operations we are performing. Number of views are there, number of searches, how many searches have been done, number of updates, how many times the file is updated, number of downloads. Now send audit to user. This report will be sent to the user. It will be mailed to the user. Okay, already you have accepted. Now let's come back to our user. And if I refresh now, it says accepted here. Okay, accepted. Let's go to audit files. Here it is. Audit report is this. 0 number of downloads, number of views is 3 times, number of searches 0, number of updates is 1 time. Okay, this is the audit report. Now, in case if you go to my files and if you want to download, okay, you need to send a request. Let's click on send request. The request is in pending state. Let's go to, okay, TPA, and you can see in the TPA we have the option here, download request. Click on that. Here it is, pending request. Let's accept it. The download request is accepted by this third-party auditor. Let's go to user now. Let's refresh here. Now you can see the download link is coming. We can click on this download button. We need to provide the security key, which we have received in the mail. Let's go to mail and check it. You can see this is the key. Let's copy this and provide in the application here. Success. Here is the link to download. Let's click on the download button to download the file. The file is downloaded. Okay. Click here. You can see this is the data of the file. Updated file is downloaded here. Updated one. Latest file. So these are all the options. Okay. Cloud is having some options like CRBT details, and what is CRBT? You will get it in your base paper. Okay. You can search here as well. Okay, search is also given. Next, Cloud is having an option of audit challenge. If we received audit challenge, it will come here. Next, third-party auditor is having TRBT. Okay, and search is also there. Audit request is there. So whenever user sends the audit request, it will come first to the third-party auditor. Third-party auditor will check and forward to the cloud. Then cloud will generate the report. It will send to the TPA. TPA will send to the user. Download request directly comes to the third-party auditor. He can process it. PKG user is responsible of checking how many users are there, and new users activation will be done by the PKG itself. So this was a complete project execution and explanation. Hope you understood it very well. I have shown you all the options very clearly. Still, if you have any doubts or any issues in the explanation or execution, you can get back to me. My number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.